Hello friends, welcome to Pungudi's channel. Today we will learn to prepare mushroom kulambu. This will be a tasty side dish for idli, dosa, rice and chapati. I tried this with the masala which I usually prepare for chicken. It worked out very well and so I wish to share this with you. Now let us see how to prepare this kudambu. These are the ingredients which we will grind: 5 red chilies, 2-inch cinnamon sticks, 2 cardamom, cloves and star anise, half a teaspoon of fennel seeds, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, half a teaspoon of pepper and 2 teaspoons of coriander. Along with this we will fry 1 onion, 1 tomato, 1 teaspoon of ginger and garlic. First we'll heat 1 teaspoon of oil in a fry pan. Add cinnamon sticks, cloves, cardamom and star anise. Fry once and then we shall add red chilies, fennel seeds, cumin seeds, pepper and coriander. Along with this we will fry well and then add chopped ginger and garlic and then chopped onions. We can also use pearl onions or sambar onions. Fry well and then add tomatoes. Let us fry, switch off the stove, cool down to room temperature and then grind to a fine paste, adding little of water and keep it ready. Other ingredients needed are onion, few curry leaves and 250 grams of mushrooms. I have chopped these mushrooms. Heat a fry pan and add 2 teaspoons of gingerly oil. It will taste good. Now we will add onion and curry leaves. Stir well. And now we will add chopped mushrooms and fry well. Water oozes out from this mushrooms. At first, see here, so much of water. You fry until this water evaporates and mushroom shrinks. At this stage we can add quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder and quarter teaspoon of salt to this mushrooms. Mix well. Add 1 cup of water and we shall cook this mushrooms. We can close and cook for 3 to 5 minutes. Now the mushrooms will be cooked well and it will be very soft. At this stage we shall add the ground paste of the masalas. You can add 2 or 3 teaspoons of masala. Do not add all the masalas. We can check it and add later because it will be very spicy. Few of you may not like it. Mix well and at this stage we can also add required salt. Mix well and add 1/4 teaspoon of tamarind paste, and you can add water according to your needed consistency. Mix well and allow it to boil for 5 minutes in medium flame. Now our mushroom kulambu is ready to serve. You can serve this as side dish for idli, dosa, rice or chapatis. You try this at home and give your comments. If you like this video, share with your friends. For more such recipes, like and subscribe for my channel. Thank you for watching.